Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can activate your Cashapp card. So in order to activate your Cash card, all you have to do is first thing first, open up or log in into your Cashapp account. Once you're logged in, it's gonna look something like this. So here, tap the Cash card icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see. So after you tap on it, you'll be able to see the options such as this. So from here, you need to go ahead and tap on activate cash card button. So as soon as you do that, it's going to ask you to pick a color, so make sure to go through it all. So after that, you'll have to click on choose activate cash card, and once you've done that, scan the card's QR code with your phone's camera or enter the card's detail manually, and then complete the on-screen prompt. And after you've done that, you've successfully activated your cash card. So that's basically how you can activate your cash card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.